Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how I make melt and pour soaps. If you want to know how I do it, just keep on watching. Yes guys, this is my quick tutorial on how I make melt and pour soaps. First off, get some melt and pour soap base. I got this from Hobby Lobby. They are usually between $9 and $24 each. Basically, you're just going to cut up your soap cubes into cubes. Here I'm placing just all the variety of oils that I use in my melt and pour soaps, which is usually castor oil, olive oil, almond oil, all that good stuff. These are the herbs and the spices that I use, the clays that I use in my melt and pours. All of these will be linked in the description box, or you can either check my Instagram and I will have everything listed that I used in these. So basically you're just going to melt your oils first, so they are all cooled off and ready to go. I use a teaspoon of each oil, that is including the olive oil, the castor oil, the almond oil, the coconut oil. Again, all the oils and things that I use will be listed in the description box below or on my Instagram page at Lavishly Naturals, so you can check the video or the information out there. Secondly, after I mix and melt down all the oils, I'm going to melt down the melt and pour soap. I usually put these on for between 10 seconds to 30 seconds, but please don't do longer than that because you will burn your soap. So I usually do 10 to 15 second intervals until the soap base is completely melted. Right here, I'm just stirring up the soap so I can make sure there are no lumps or clumps in there. I am now adding in the cooled oil into the soap base and mix very well. Like, don't whip or don't beat it because you don't want your soaps to actually start bubbling, but just do a good mix. Here I'm just separating the soap and the oils into two different batches. One batch I'm adding the coconut powder to. The other batch I'm going to add the turmeric and some other ingredients into. I also add and make sure I use dried rosemary. Fresh rosemary would be preferable. I'm adding in collagen, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D into both of the soap mixes, so your skin is hydrated, so you have enough moisture in your skin, so the soap is not drying your skin out and all that good stuff. So here I'm just mixing the turmeric into the second batch along with the lavender buds into the second batch. You're going to mix both of those batches well, so all of the herbs and the spices are mixed into the soap batter accurately. Okay, accurately. Here on the first batch, I'm going to add in some honey and milk fragrance. On the second one, I added rose water fragrance into that one. Oh my God, those two combined make an amazing fragrance. Here I'm adding a little mica to give your body a little shimmer when you use the soap. Who doesn't want to shimmer and glisten in this lovely summer weather? We already got that melanin popping, girls. Why not shimmer while that melanin's popping? This looks so good, y'all. It looks like chocolate cake, but don't try and eat it. I don't recommend that. And here I'm mixing up the turmeric and the lavender. I added the lavender. I also added magnesium oil inside of the lavender and turmeric soap just because I needed something to relax me as I'm using the soap. So the lavender and the Magnesium is actually good for relaxation. Here I'm just pouring the soap bases into my little makeshift molds for my soaps. I chose not to do a big batter because I was just basically doing this video to show you guys how quick, simple, and easy it is to make these soaps. And I'm mixing both of the batters together, but you let the first one kind of dry or set up a little bit before you add the second. Lastly, I'm adding in more dry herbs on top. I again added chamomile for some more relaxation and a beautiful fresh aroma and fragrance. Guys, I love doing this. Like, it is so relaxing, so therapeutic. It is a joy to do. So that is pretty much it. I closed the lid, let it sit for about 2 to 4 hours is what I usually do, and then guess what? It comes out all beautiful. This is the soaps after I let it set for about 4 hours. I'm showing you the top and the bottom, and it is so simply delightful to cut into bars and see all of your work just layered in beauty and aroma, and it smells so good. I can smell the rosemary, I can smell the lavender. That milk and honey is, oh my god, it smells so good. But you can see how the chocolate and the turmeric mixed in together. You can see the yellows, you can see the browns. It kind of looks like a brownie, but you can't eat it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Remember, sharing is caring. Follow me on Instagram at AllDayAliDiB or Lavishly Naturals. I love you all, and there's nothing you can do about it. Mwah!